Good morning, students. Good morning. So already we have started the exercise 14, that is the theorems on area. So we have discussed from some maths from there also. Uh, Suppose question number 12. Okay. Now I'll discuss with you the question number 12. What is that? Question number 12. Exercise number 14. Question number 12. What is that? In this figure given below, ABCD and AEFG are the two parallelogram. Okay, draw this first. ABCD and AEFG. Suppose this is the part. AEFG. Now see that part. Question asks ABCD and AEFG is the parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite side are equal and parallel. Already you know that part. Prove that these two parallelogram are equal in. These two parallelogram are equal. Okay, area should be equal for that. Okay, so for that purpose we are required to draw something for this. What is draw for something? Suppose join B and G. Join B and G be there. Okay, so already we have discussed whatever required to prove. Now, in case of the proof, triangle ABG, think for that. Triangle ABG is equal to half of parallelogram. Triangle ABG. Understood which triangle I have taken? Half of the parallelogram ABCD. Why? Because already you know that part. If the triangle and parallelogram be the same base AB and between the same parallel line AB and CD, then you can easily say that this two, this is the half of the this triangle be the half of the parallelogram. Okay, in the same way we can say that. In the same way, if you can use the second part for there, you can also be say that the triangle ABG. Another way you can say that this is also the half of area of parallelogram AEFG. Parallelogram AEFG. Why? This will be AEFG half of that. In the same way you can say that this is the AG be the base. This triangle, this way triangle, and parallel AG is the base for there, and between the same these two parallel line. This is also the parallel line. This also half. The left side be equal, right side be equal. So easily you can write that half of area ABCD is equal to half of area AEFG. Half of cancel be there. So area of the parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of the parallelogram AEFG. Clear? Okay. Now I'll do the another maths from there. Suppose 15b. I'll discuss with you the question number 15b. Second figure, you draw the picture. This is the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle is given. With the length of the verticute The length of the altitude is AM, BN and CL. अच्छा. AM, ABC, AM, BN, and CL. Okay. Then question asks, both values given there. Calculate the length of the sides ABC. I am required to find out the side of ABC. Okay. There is now question from the question you can get that AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 37 meter. Why? Adding on both sides because perimeter is given in the question paper. Okay. So if I think, if I think BC value is P and CA value is Q, then you can say AB is equal to what? 37 minus P plus Q. Clear? This is the getting the value of what? 37 of this value. Okay. Now, if I find out the triangle ABC, area of the triangle ABC means is what? Half of BC into AM. Half into BC into AM be there. Okay. So now this will be BC means is what? P. Okay. P. AM means is what? AM valuation is given there. Yes, from the question I can get the valuation be x 5x be there. So whatever I can, this is the x for there. In the same way, we can able to write that if this side you can think, then half of AC. AC means is what? Half of AC. AC value is Q into this is the valuation. BN value is what? BN valuation be 6x. 6x. Okay. Okay. In the same way, if you can get the base B AB be there, you can write that half of AB. AB means what? This is 37 minus P minus Q, because minus and B is there, and this valuation is what is given? 7x. Clear? Okay. So this is the valuation of that. Okay, now see that part. These three be the equal. So I can write it what? Half P 5x, half Q 6x, half 37 minus P minus Q into 4x. Now half of P cancel for there, x cancel for there, then you can get it 5P, 6Q, 4 into 37 minus P minus Q for there. Clear? Okay. Now you have to calculate it for there. If I can convert these two, 5P is equal to 6Q. Okay. So 5P is equal to 6Q. So I can write it 5P minus 6Q is equal to 0. Okay. Another part, if I can get this, then do that 2 to cancellation, 3Q is equal to 2 into 37 minus P minus Q be there. Okay. So 3Q. Okay. Now multiply it. 3Q 74 minus 2P minus 2Q. 3P this will come as 5Q. 2P plus 5Q. This valuation you can get is 74. Okay, now we are getting the answer. 2P. So from this you can get the answer with there what? 2P plus 5Q is equal to 74. 5p minus 60 is equal to 0. 10p plus 25q is equal to, and this is the 10p minus 12q is equal to 0. Cancel it. 37q is equal to 370. QA value is 10. If you can get the QA valuation is 10, then 10 plus 60, then 5p is equal to 60, then PA value is 12. Okay, so whatever can answer be there, the side you can get it, this side whatever you can give the name for there. P means is this side is 12, this side is what? Q. Q evaluation is what? 10. So this portion is what? 37 minus 12 minus 10. 15, 17, 12. Okay. So you have to complete this part up to this. Next I can discuss the more math from there. Goodbye.